Hey everybody, Nick from BCA. Today we're going to talk to you about our 223 Wylde upper assembly. This one right here has an M4 profile barrel, 16 inches with a 1 1/8 twist. Parkerized finish, comes with an A2 flash hider and a 15-inch M-lock rail. You have the split rail in here, so it's really easy to take on and off. You don't have to time your barrel nut. And it comes with the M4 style upper receiver, complete with dust cover, forward assist, brass deflector. Comes with the BCA bolt carrier group and charging handle. Alright, we're going to put a Vortex Diamondback scope in here and run a few rounds of Nosler 223 and see how tight we can get our groups at 100 yards. We'll be right back. Alright everybody, we're back. Like I said earlier, we use the Nosler match grade 69 grain hollow point boat tail. Use the Vortex Diamondback Tactical, that's a 412 by 40. And here's my groups. First two and the third one I got a little crazy, but we'll take the calipers. We got 0.860, so that's well within 1 inch. And all of our barrels can do this or better as long as the 16 inches or above. You're using good ammo and proper shooting techniques. And as always, we back everything 100% with the Bear Den limited lifetime guarantee, so you have peace of mind when you buy from Bear Creek. Alright, thank you so much for watching the video. We'll see you next time, and build it your way with BCA.